Hey everybody, my name's John. I'm here with ReportBack, and today I'm here to talk to you about Google Analytics. Namely, how do I make an account, and then how do I connect that account to my WordPress website? It's super simple, so let's just jump right into it. First thing I want to mention is you can only do this if you have a premium or higher account with WordPress. If you have a personal or a free account, it just won't work. So assuming that you have that, let's just get started. First thing that you need to do is find this web page. You can do this by following the link in the description if you're following along on YouTube, or just type in Google Analytics into Google, or you can type in marketingplatform.google.com in your URL and you should be able to find it. Once here, we're going to click on Start for Free in the top right. From here, it's going to prompt you to sign into a Google account, a Gmail account. If you already have one, feel free to use yours here. If you don't, you can make one. But my suggestion is that you just make sure that the website that you're tracking is associated with the Gmail that you're using, just so everything is not confusing and it's all in line. So I have made a test account here. I'm going to sign in. And once I sign in to my Google account, my Gmail account, I can start the Google Analytics sign up. So I'm going to click on Set Up for Free. Now the way this works is you can track multiple websites with one account. I mean, most of us will just be tracking one, but you can, so you need an account name, and then you need names for each of the websites you're tracking. So we're starting with the account name. I'm just going to write my own name here, John. Make sure that all 4 of these boxes are checked off, and then just click Next. Now Google's asking if we are a website or an app or both. In most cases, you're probably just going to be a website, so I'm going to keep this selected and just hit Next. But you select what is appropriate for you. Now we are naming the website, so I'm just going to type in ABC Company. But you type in your company name the way you want to organize it. And then you're going to type in the URL, so www.abccompany.com. Now you just need to select an industry category and a time zone. These matter to you, but just for the sake of me setting this up, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to click Create, and we're almost there. Just click on both of these boxes to accept the terms of service, and then click on I accept. And we have now been brought to our Google Analytics account, and namely the tracking ID page. So you can ignore most of this information on the page. All we really need is this letter number combination at the top. So just highlight it, press Control C or Control V, or Control C or Command C on a Mac, and we're just going to head on over to WordPress. So once you've logged into WordPress, you want to click on My Site in the top left. Then we're going to click on the Tools drop down on the left hand side, go all the way down to Marketing, and then in Marketing we're going to go to Traffic and scroll down and just Command or Control V to post the code right here under the Google Analytics. And that's pretty much it. Google will start to track data that happens on your website, and you can take a look at that data by accessing your Google Analytics dashboard. One more thing before I go though. I'm going to go back to Google Analytics here, and let's just say you already had an account and you want to find your tracking ID, or you've clicked away somewhere and you can't find your tracking ID anywhere. All you have to do is click on Admin in the bottom left, then Tracking Info in the middle column, excuse me, and then on Tracking Code, and you're back on the page that we were before. So that's everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.